This is my new chair. A little closet. Movie night. This is such a cute setup. Wow. Okay. I'm having a nice self-care Saturday to myself. I want to talk about these DIY lights because I had some comments on my first video, and I don't gatekeep. This is a spot I went to in Spadina. You can get so many different sizes ranging from like $7 to $40. It's so affordable, and I wasn't allowed to film, so I did get in trouble, but also recommend getting Bun May. It's on the same street. For the actual setup, all you need is a light cord and a bulb. These are actually meant to be a circular like ball shape, but because I wanted the organic look, I just didn't insert the metal frame that usually goes inside. But I did spend like 30 minutes kind of zhuzhing them to get them into this organic shape, but I love it. I spent like $40 on the two, but it was such an easy DIY to achieve this look, so let me know if you try it. And then for the curtains, I went to a spot called Fabric in Dundas West. Look at all the different rolls of fabric they have. If you want to make your own clothes or if you need fabric, highly recommend this place. But I found this gauzy linen that I ended up using for my curtains, and it was so cheap. I think it was like $15 a yard, which for me I thought was pretty affordable, so I ended up spending around $300 for the fabric itself, which for the size of my window was such a good deal. And then I sewed them myself and set it up with the IKEA curtain wire, and I think it looks great. You can see all of the storage I have under the stairs, and by storage I mean I still have boxes there that I haven't unpacked. My clothing racks from my old place. I have all these poles up here, so the clothing rack actually sits behind it, and then this one will have to go over this pole. A better view. It looks pretty whack. That's how that's looking so far. Now I have my clothes unpacked upstairs. Tell me how after unpacking stuff it still looks exactly the same. This stuff I think I will deal with after I figure out kind of more furniture for storage here. Most of this is clothing that I want to sell because it doesn't fit me anymore. I still have books in here, which I need storage for. I'm thinking for the kitchen too, since I'm probably not getting a dishwasher, I could use that as storage and then get a little fabric. This is what it kind of looks like now. Let me go upstairs and show you my little closet corner. The little shelf thing came in handy and I hid it, so I can't really see it from downstairs, but I have workout sets and like lounge clothes and extra sheets tucked in there. And let's go back down. My current wardrobe, a lot of the clothes don't fit me because I'm heavier now, and I've been holding on to them for over 2 seasons thinking that I'll fit into them again one day, which I could, but then I just don't really have clothes to wear. But I also don't want to go out and like buy new clothes because I have these clothes. Keeping them there and then not having them fit my body the way that I want them to is messing with my body image struggles and my mental health. So that's how I felt unpacking those things. Since I want to sell some things anyway, maybe I'll just post more. I've been wearing this set so much. This is super old from Organic Basics. Not sponsored, not paying me to say this. This is just one of the sets that just fits me well right now. Recycled nylon, and it just fits really good right now, you know? Size extra small, and this is a medium large in the bottoms. I'm trying really hard to help fix my neck posture. I'm learning this new thing about hypermobility in people with ADHD, so I'm really trying to correct that and my neck hun from sitting all day. cute are these? We're going to watch the ride. Look at some flowers. Aren't they so cool? I don't think I've shown you guys yet, but this is my new chair. I picked it up off Facebook Marketplace as well. Love that it's a postmodern chrome curved kind of vibe, and it's been way better than sitting at a stool working, which is nice. And everything else is still super empty. But imagine like a dining table here. I'm on Photoshop and I've been thinking a lot about the different furniture that I want to add to this space, because I really want to throw a housewarming. I never threw a housewarming in my last place, and I lived there for so long. I don't really have anywhere to host people right now, and it would also be nice to have another spot to sit, because right now I'm always just at my desk. So it would be nice to have a different table to eat at. Is it time for me to get a dining table? I've been on Facebook Marketplace like every single day for the past month, but I feel like it's a little bit tougher to find things that aren't just like chairs or accent pieces. Like finding a really cute dresser or finding a really cute dining table set has been a little bit difficult. I throw my really bad quick mock-ups on the screen. Let me know what you guys think. So imagine for under the stairs, being a little like media unit under here. I went to IKEA and like their Malm pieces could also work really well too. And then I can do a round dining table with either light oak or black chairs. And then I can do like a layered look with a rug or two. I don't know yet. I feel like it would be weird not to have a rug, because I feel like the rugs help separate the spaces. That's kind of what I'm feeling right now. And then I'm still trying to find some like nightstands on Facebook Marketplace. I think that would be really cute, but that's kind of what I'm feeling right now. My camera battery died, so I think I'm gonna sell this pampas grass. This used to be in my old bedroom. Or I might put it up there, but it's not really my aesthetic anymore. I wanted to chat about the first few days of settling in. It's been really nice to just be in this space without having to do more like DIYs and like reno type things. Like kicking in that I'm in the city, it's so nice because I actually have places to walk, and I really enjoy my walks now with Wolfie. So we get in a good like 8 to 10K steps every single day, which is really nice. Discovering more of this area that I live in, and I've never really been on this side of Toronto. I've always been on the west end, so I think it's been really fun kind of exploring. I'm really excited to discover more like local spots. I noticed that there were a ton of like vintage shops, so I might go do a little like vintage shopping thrifting day, and I'll bring you guys along for sure. So I'm excited for the potential of my life to just like blossom here and to really have a fulfilling life here where I'm just like doing more things in my day-to-day. Now that I'm in the rhythm of, okay, like this is my space, and you know, I finally like set up my projector, which is why this whole wall is still blank on the side. I'm so excited for just like watching my movies and my shows and my K-dramas at night here. It's so nice to decompress, and yeah, I'm just really excited for how I can like fill my life and my like day to day with more stuff. Also, I posted on my YouTube community tab, I think I'm gonna do my first ever live stream this coming Sunday, and I think I'm gonna do it at 6 p.m. Eastern time. But let me know in the comments down below. I gave a few options and everyone kind of voted for a weekend instead of a weekday. So I feel like Sundays are a good day. I'm thinking either 6 p.m. or I can do like around noon. Comment down below like what time of the day, but I think I'll probably decide after I post this video in like a day or so, and then I'll like try to schedule the live stream. Look out for that. I'm really excited to just do a catch up with all of you and actually be able to interact and like chat with all of you. I feel like that would be really fun. And then I'll let you guys know if I end up doing a closet sale soon as well. I'll probably do it the same way as before, as like use the Insta and then maybe do an auction like bidding system again, because I just want the clothes to go to places and people that will love and wear them and feel good in them. Yeah, I feel like that'll help me declutter another area of my brain. In the beginning, I felt this overwhelming sense of like, oh, I need to do everything. I need to make the most out of everything. But I felt that that was so overwhelming. So I was like, hey, let's take it slow. I can't just go from doing absolutely nothing every single day to doing everything every single day. Making this like slowly easing into it kind of timeline I have for myself. Let me know how you guys are doing down below. I feel like I've asked you guys for your opinion on a bunch of stuff through this whole video, but I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave a like if you did. I'm excited for more vlogs and just like a full life. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.